Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to track contact submission on your website using good technology and understand that Google Analytics 4. This is one of the most important things to track because every from submissions is a potential lead for your business. So let's get started. First of all, actually, I have to track actually you new tag and tag from, and then you have a new HTML code after submission. So I have already one of the HTML code is the best. So first of all, I have to go in the copy and then paste all the page. You have to select it all pages and then writing HTML. Yes. Okay, thanks. And then I have to new tag create and go Google Analytics 4 GA4 event. Then I have to go measurement ID and then select the event name. What is I have to select an event name? Then I have to go preview mode. If this to best, then I have to select that everything go to preview mode. From and contact any other user that's coming and that selected the submission from like the name, submit email message. So name, subject, email, text, and send a message. Okay. And then see result what is the form submitted. You set data variables from submitted, even layer, and this important actually click test and click your event name from submitted, go to your tag ID and you take it. So graphics for graphics, measurement ID selected, measurement ID, event name from ID, go to from submitted, click and copy and paste and then trigger. This is key trigger already selected. The custom variables from submitted. I have to select it from submitted, and then GA4 event from submitted, then save and then preview again preview mode. I have to click Google Analytics 4 and contact from update from submitted. Send a message. And this actually thank you page from submitted page. From submitted just successfully filing everything. I have to see and Google Analytics 4. Then go to admin sections. Hit from sender and then go to debug mode. And then you have to see from submit actually fine. So this is and that is section. Now every contact information on your website will be tracked in GA4 as a contact and submit. You can use the data to measure your lead and optimize your marketing campaign. If this help you, please video, like, your comment, and your opinion. What is it? And thank you. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.